Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, Pycharm and Git installed. Open your project now. First, generate or add an SSH key in your GitHub account or prepare HTTPS credentials so Pycharm can authenticate. Once done, choose VCS, select Get from Version Control, paste the repo URL, and clone into your workspace. This starts the process immediately. Make sure the correct Python interpreter is set after cloning. Because dependencies and run config. Now that the repo is local, manage code safely by creating a branch. Open VCS Git branches and select New Branch. You work on changes in the editor, then open the Commit Tool window to review diffs, stage hunks, and write a concise message. Explain the why. After committing locally, use push to upload commits to GitHub, and periodically fetch or pull to integrate remote work. This keeps history clean and avoids merge surprises as you develop. Finish by opening a pull request on GitHub from your branch. Pycharm can open the browser for you or use the GitHub tool window. Review comments, then address requested changes locally. When conflicts appear, resolve them in the editor by choosing the correct hunks, mark resolved, commit, and push again. If a push fails, check the remote URL and your authentication method, then pull the latest remote changes and rebase or merge as needed. One quick troubleshooting step is to re-authenticate or switch from HTTPS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.